So hello guys, how's it going? I am Arjun and today's video is about Python. But I will explain you everything once the video ends, and that will be right before I show a super complex code. For now, let's just start with an easy one. I'm using programmers.com in order to, do this actually. So here, let me just show you. Now so here we go guys. Now I am going to show you the Python in action. So now you see this side here on our right, on our left. So this is where we will be giving the input, and on our right, that's where we'll get our output. So for input, I'll type in a super simple code. And I'm sure it's hard to see because of the cam, but then I'll just show you the entire thing. So if I run this code right here, and look at that. You see, I typed in this code, and the answer, yup, subscribe. Okay, the answer is subscribe, and that's definitely what you guys should do. But anyway, back to video, and here the sprint is a variable and subscribe is whatever you can put in there. So I'll just change subscribe and I'll show you that. And here's another code. See, I typed in hello world, and now it says hello world. So like this can make many things, even a calculator, which I can't reveal what will come at the end. So this is just a simple Python code which everyone can do, and I believe you can too. So yeah, try it if you wanna. Also, in the end, like I said, right now it will be a crazy code which in the end will come in like 5 minutes or right now. So now this code will be super crazy tough. That's why I will be doing it off cam. Don't look. It's not for any such reason. It's just hard. It's like 57 lines or something, and this code is 1 line. So yeah, just give me some time, alright, please.
1 eternity later.
My Python code is ready after a few years of work. I meant just hours, but here I have done it with 16 lines, and it's pretty ready for me to show you. Now when I run the code, yeah, you can guess it. This is the video's hardest code. Enter number 1. It's a calculator basically. I can do 7 and enter number 2 as 2. Yeah, 2 should be good. And when I enter it, it says select your operation, and options are addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Now I think I'll just go with addition to show you, okay, because I can't calculate crazy numbers, and that's pretty much the reason why I made this code. So I'm just gonna do add this in and run. So oh no, why did I run it? I'm so dumb. I should enter it, right? Okay, 6, enter, 2, enter, plus, enter. Now the answer should come as, yeah, it's meant to come as 8. Let's see what it should do. You entered number 1 as 6, you entered number 2 as 2, you entered operation as plus, that is correct, and the number answer is 8. Now look, if you give a meaningful problem, this is correct, yeah. But when you do 7 and 6 and can do like instead of any operation, instead of something nonsense, and when you run it, you entered number 1 as 7 and you entered number 2 as 6, you entered operation as nonsense. This operation is not supported. See? Like, that's quite the reason why it's the hardest thing. So yeah, that's it for today's video. And yeah, I hope you learned something on Python. You can make a code of your own pretty much. And yeah, see you in the next video.